So what is swaging? And what's the difference between swage and swageless cable systems? Well, today we're going to find out. Swaged versus swageless. What's the difference? And which one is right for you? Swaging is the process of permanently attaching a fitting to a cable using a hydraulic crimping tool and a matched die set. It creates a strong, secure bond through pressure and friction. It's a more hands-on process, more time, more tools, and slightly more visible hardware, but also lower cost. Swageless systems, on the other hand, are pre-engineered for easy installation. No heavy tools, no crimping. Just assemble and go. It saves time with a cleaner look, though it may cost a bit more. Swaged equals more work, more time, lower cost, and a little bit more visibility. Swageless is less work, less time, higher cost, but also less visible. Two very different operations, same general outcome. One's just a little faster, a little cleaner, but one will offer you some cost savings. Both systems offer long-lasting performance. The choice depends on your tools, timeline, and taste. Learn more at DecksDirect.com.